Hey everybody, hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. Today we're just going to do one more thing on mean median mode before we move on to standard deviation, which is a little more complicated. So, this will just be hopefully an easy day. But today we are going to work on how you find the value of a variable if they give you a bunch of data pieces and then the average. So here they are giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of data, and they're saying the average of all of them is 10. So the way that I'll do this is I'll add up all of the known amounts. So 5 plus 15 is 20, 28, that'd be 50, 53. So I'll have 53 plus the unknown, which is x, divided by how many there are. There are 6 of them. Should equal the average, which is 10. So in order to solve this, I'll multiply both sides by 6, and I get 53 plus x equals 60. And that means that x would equal 7. For down here, they're telling me that the median is 11. It looks like this is all in order, except for this value is unknown. So I see that I know the first 3. And then I don't know the fourth one. So the median, since there's 6 values in between the third value and the fourth value, so if it's 11, one way I can figure this out is I could say, well, 8 plus x divided by 2 should equal 11, because it should be halfway in between those, so I would add them up and divide by 2. So 8 plus x would equal 22. And so x would equal 14. Okay, and the last thing is the range. I'm sure everyone here knows how to find the range of a data set. Range is the distance between the least value and the greatest value. For this problem here, they want us to find the range of each reality cooking show. So show A ranges from, looks like 19 is the least and 31 is the greatest. So show A has 12 years as its range. Show B looks like it ranges from 19, so 19 is the lowest for them as well, all the way to 48. So that range is 29 years. Now it says to compare the results, so obviously you could say that B is more spread out. Show B is more spread out. Range in show A is smaller, so the ages are closer together. If I look at show B, it looks like besides for 48, though, 48 seems to be an outlier because if you get rid of 38, then the largest is 32, and the range will only be 13. So this outlier is going to affect the range. So outliers also affect the range, just like we talked about on Friday, how they affect the average. So they won't really affect the median so much, or the mode, but the range and the average they definitely will affect. So this outlier here is going to skew the data in terms of the range. And so that's why we use what's called standard deviation a lot of times when there's an outlier. And we'll get into that tomorrow. I think you guys did it last year with the MAD. You're going to be mad when you remember that. But so today that's all we're going to do. A couple problems on Big Ideas Math. So why don't you do those? If you have any questions, please come to the open meet 1 o'clock, 1:10. All right. Have a good day.